Welcome back to another video within the Pico Brick series. Today we'll be exploring controlling an LED by the press of a button. Let's get into it.
To code our Pico Bricks, open your favourite web browser and in the address bar type ide.picobricks.com. Once the Pico Bricks IDE page loads, we want to click View More on the Pico Blockly. This is the coding editor that we will be using for today. So let's get started. So if we click on Basic, first thing we need is a Pico Bricks block. And the next thing we need is a forever loop, so we click on loops and then we click and drag the forever block and connect that under Pico Bricks. Next we need to create some logic to determine whether the button has been pressed or not. So click on logic, want an if else block. I would attach that inside the forever loop. We need more logic because we need to check to see if our button is equal to something. So this block won't work on its own. So if we click on logic again, and then we want a blank space equals blank space. And we put that within the if block where you see it lights up yellow there. So now this will do something when it is equal to something. So next we'll click on bricks and we need the read button block. And we'll attach that within the first blank space of the if block here. And next we need to click on math and we need this 0 at the top here in the second blank space. And we'll change the 0 to 1. So this is now telling us if read button is equal to 1, do something, else do something else. So let's give it some instructions. So again we'll click on bricks and we want a set LED to on. We'll put that inside the if block there. And we want another set LED block, so we duplicate it and we want this one inside the else block and click on the small arrow and select off. So now what this will do is when Pico Bricks runs, this code will run forever or until we press stop. It will read to see if the button has been pressed. If the button has been pressed, it will turn the LED on. If the button hasn't been pressed, it will set the LED to off. Let's connect Pico Bricks to the computer to see this working. So we click the little connection button here and select board in FS mode, then click connect. We'll now see this little icon turns to red, so that means our Pico Bricks is now connected to our computer. So next we need to run the code. And once you run the code, if you press the button on your Pico Bricks, you should see the LED turn on. Just like so.
Well done, you have just completed another PicoBricks project. This time you have learned to control an LED by the push of a button. Come back next time, where we will be using the light sensor to control the RGB LED. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy coding.